some of the clients that you're not clients? What are some of the organisations that you're working with there that get you quite excited in this fintech space?
So when we started the LHoFT, so the LHoFT is a foundation, public-private. So we have public institutions from Luxembourg, Ministry of Finance, Economy, Chamber of Commerce, others. But we also have 22 private partners, banks, insurance, asset managers, tech firms, and they're all coming together to work with the fintechs. So that's what's exciting, is really for the banks to understand that, or the insurance companies to understand that those startups, they're not competition. They can be a huge leverage for them, to still be sustainable in 5, 10, 20 years. So those organizations, they still are old banks, old insurance firms. Yeah, take your coffee, you're gonna need it.
Oh Lord, it's Sibos, I kind of need that.
So I'm happy to be at Sibos. It's my first time because I'm meeting those, again, big banks, and they are excited about what's coming up. I have a consultant asked me a very weird question a few months ago, saying, what's the future of fintech? Do we still have a future for fintechs, given that it was a hype and it will go down? And I thought for a few seconds, but the future of finance is fintech. Fintech is not dead. I mean, fintech is just the progress, is the future. So yeah, that's what excites me. And as I said, financial industry is the bedrock of economy. If you want to have impact in the world, you have to start with finance. We do very cool stuff at the LHoFT. We do have acceleration programs. One of them is called Catapult Africa. People don't know that.
Catapult Africa?
Africa, yeah. So we help fintechs from Africa. In 2 weeks' time, we're going to have 15 fintechs from Africa coming to Luxembourg. So Ali, your question is, why fintechs from Africa in Luxembourg? Luxembourg is the microfinance center of the world. 50% of the funds are based in Luxembourg and 70% of the institutions. So we bring every year fintechs from Africa to Luxembourg to connect with the funds, raise money, work with the institutions. And it's the only time in this year where the pitch of a fintech is not how much money they're going to save to the bank or make to the bank, is how many millions of people they're impacting, how many thousands of families, households they are feeding.
Inclusivity again.
Inclusivity. So it's a special program on financial inclusion.
It's funny, it's come up so much, hasn't it, today?
But it's not just for ethical reasons. There's money to be made there as well.
There's money to be made, but what the impact of those people have over there, again, 1,000 millions of people they are impacting, just because they give them a small credit, those people can build a business, feed their families, and it's go in the loop, the circular economy. It's massive. And
we just got a fact which is crazy. 4 million people in the UK don't have a bank account.
Wow, but they have a Revolut.
Probably, yeah, exactly.
Well, here's one for you. So Nigeria, you've got 100 million people there without a bank account.
Woo.
That's why if I was from an investment side of things, places like Kuda Bank blows my. I'd want to get on that gravy train because they're going to make an absolute killing there, and also get a lot of people.
And those are amazing entrepreneurs, Ali. When you listen to them, it's also the only time in the year where I see people crying during the pitches, because the story is so compelling, and they are really hardcore. They really tell you. They grew up poor. They were starving, and they are doing that for the kids not to starve.
And it comes back to do things for the right reason, and money will follow.
Exactly. And
you don't need to go chasing the money.
So you understand that fintech can really be a powerful tool in the world, not just to make money or to save money to the big banks, but also to impact people's lives.